If you're looking for the best PDF editor, there are plenty of options available. Some are free, others focus on business users, and some include powerful AI features. But if I had to recommend just one overall PDF editor, the answer would be Adobe Acrobat Pro. In this video, I'll explain why Adobe Acrobat Pro continues to be one of the best PDF editors, what features it offers, who it's designed for, and whether it's worth the price. Let's get started. First, what exactly is Adobe Acrobat Pro? Adobe Acrobat Pro is one of the world's most popular PDF editing programs. It allows you to create, edit, sign, convert, organize, and protect PDF files all from a single application. One of its biggest strengths is how complete it is. You can edit text directly inside a PDF, replace images, rearrange pages, merge multiple PDFs, split documents, compress files, and even convert PDFs into Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or image files. Another major advantage is document signing. Adobe Acrobat Pro makes it easy to add electronic signatures, request signatures from other people, and securely manage important documents online. This feature is especially useful for businesses, freelancers, students, and professionals who regularly work with contracts or official paperwork. Another reason Adobe Acrobat Pro stands out is its AI-powered features. The latest versions include intelligent document summaries, AI assistants, and tools that help users quickly find information inside long PDF files. Instead of reading hundreds of pages, you can ask questions about the document and receive summarized answers within seconds. This can save an incredible amount of time, especially when working with reports, manuals, or legal documents. Security is another area where Adobe performs extremely well. You can password protect, files restrict, editing add permissions, and securely share documents with other users, making it one of the most trusted PDF solutions for both individuals and businesses. Adobe Acrobat Pro also works across multiple devices. You can start editing a document on your computer, continue on your table, and finish reviewing it on your phone, thanks to cloud synchronization. Now let's talk about who should use it. Adobe Acrobat Pro is an excellent choice for business owners, students, teachers, lawyers, accountants, and content creators, and anyone who works with PDF files on a regular basis. If you only edit PDFs once or twice a year, free editor may be enough. But if PDFs are part of your daily workflow, Adobe Acrobat Pro is difficult to beat. Now let's be honest, Adobe Acrobat Pro isn't the cheapest PDF editor available, but it remains one of the most complete, reliable, and professional solutions on the market. The combination of editing tools, AI features, security, and compatibility makes it an excellent long-term investment for many users. To summarize, if you're looking for the best PDF editor in 2026, Adobe Acrobat Pro is one of the strongest choices available. It offers powerful editing, document conversion, electronic signatures, AI-powered tool, excellent security, and works across virtually every device. Because honestly, the best PDF editor isn't just the one that lets you change text, it's the one that helps you work faster, stay organized, and manage your documents with confidence every single day.